What is going on, guys, and welcome to this camera comparison video of the iPhone X and the Doogee Y8. Both have a dual camera setup but totally different price points, so let's see how they compete right after the intro. Let's start with the specs of both phones. On the left side, you will always see the photos and videos of the iPhone X, which has two 12 megapixel sensors with one wide angle and one telephoto lens with an aperture of f1.8 and f2.4, and the front cam has 7 megapixel with an aperture of f2.2. Its price point is $999. On the right side, you will always see the content of the Doogee Y8, which has one 8 megapixel and one 5 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.2, and on the front it has one 5 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.2. At the moment it sells for as low as $75 on various web shops. In the next couple of minutes I want to compare some photos and videos taken from the same perspective with the internal camera apps, without any changed settings, right out of the pocket. The photos and videos were taken under different lighting conditions, and videos are recorded in 1080p, as this is the maximum the Doogee Y8 can do. So for now I will just leave you with the examples and I will be back for the conclusion. Alright, so this is a video comparison of both devices. First you will hear the sound of the iPhone X, and now you will hear the sound from the Doogee Y8, and this is in a rather silent environment. Alright, so this is a video comparison of the front cam. First you will hear the sound of the iPhone right now, and now I'm gonna switch to the Doogee Y8, and this is in a rather silent environment. Alright, so I have to say, for the price point of the Doogee Y8, the photos don't look bad. only the portrait or bokeh mode is not really great, as it just seems to be a big circle you can adjust with a slider. The Y8 also brings out colors really good, which gives a lot of life to the photos, even though I sometimes think it's too much and photos look more natural on the iPhone. The video quality, especially the front cam, is not that great either on the Doogee Y8. But surprisingly, the mic takes a lot of background noise away, but I also would say the overall quality of the mic is better on the iPhone, which shouldn't be a surprise. Let me know what you think about the photos and videos taken with both phones in the comments below, and if you liked what you've seen, hit the subscribe and like button and activate the bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos here on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.